good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 11 from verse 45 to verse 57. The Jew leader them plan to kill Jesus. So now, no for the Jew them when it come look for Mary, believe in a Jesus when they see what him do. But some of them go to the Pharisee them and tell them what Jesus do. Then the head priest them and the Pharisee them call one meeting for the leader them. What we do? They ask. Cause that man ya work some powerful miracle. If we make him go on same way, everybody will believe in him. And the Roman ruler them are go come and take away God's house from we and run with people them from out of our country. Then one of the leader them, when named Caiaphas, and we did the leader for the priest them that year there, talk up and say, "We don't know a thing. We don't know say better for one man dead for the people them than to make the whole country dead off." No, Caiaphas didn't say that pan his own so. But through him did the leader for the priest them that year there. Him said Jesus would have dead for the Jew people them before it even happened. But not for them one, but for make all of God picnic them with scatter all over the place come together in a one. So from that day there, they make plan with them one another to kill Jesus. Sake of that now, Jesus keep away from the Jew people them where come from Judea. Him left go one place near the desert, one town named Ephraim, and in tandem with him follower them. When I did nearly time for the Jew people them Passover holiday, whole heap of them left country and go to Jerusalem so they could get themselves clean and ready for the holiday. Them did a look hard for Jesus and did a say to them one another when them did a turn up in a God house say, "When you think say him now come a Passover?" No, the head priest them and the Pharisee them did give out order say, if nobody find out where Jesus there, them fi tell them so them can get fi lock him up. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God